Good evening to all of you. Today we came here for the chess tournament, which is conducted by the Genius Chess Academy and chief guest of this academy, Mr. Anil Gawande sir and Kishorji Anantra Bhagwat sir. We are very grateful to them that they have organized this program, this kind of big opportunity, this kind of big platform for us for playing the chess. And this program, the Harne sir, Bodade sir, and Deshmukh sir, he also came here as a chief guest. So we are very thankful to them also that they have given us such a great opportunity to play, because the game chess is just not a game. It is it's just like a kingdom. That how you can save your kingdom means you need a very much patience. You need a very much struggle, or you need a very much confidence on yourself that to play it very well. Don't you think so? So, what would you like to say after this?
Firstly, I want to introduce myself. This is Shruti in front of you, and our topic today is a held chess tournament here, and which is participated by both of us. And here, Harne sir is here, and the conductor is she is Genius Chess Academy's conductor, which is Bodade sir, and he is my teacher, that is AD sir. And we both are the student of AD sir CS speaking classes, and we are both are current students. So I think that chess is a too much important game for us, and it is not totally based on age limit. Means if we are above 80, then also we can play, and if we are under 7, then also we can play.
There is no limitations of age. It is not a child's play game.
Yes.
It is the game of the brain.
Two brains.
Yeah, two brain game. What would you like to say?
Firstly, I want to tell that what is the importance of sports besides education also, and with education also. Because if we are playing chess with education and we are not setting any type of time limit here, so it will be kill us. Definitely, it
Means
will
in
kill
a
us.
chase you need a full of concentration, full of determination, patience, you struggle.
But with that, we should time limit to us.
Yeah.
We should bound it to the time also. Because if we are playing just 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and we are like our study, means we are just failure in that in
Whatever
our
you are playing, whatever you are playing, having playing a chess, the time management you must understand. Because with the time, how you can improve yourself,
And
it is
today we
important.
learn this, right?
Yeah.
Due to chess lock.
Yeah, means because of the clock we got the stress.
Time pressure also.
We got the stress, and then in the stress you don't catch up the things very well.
Means chess and chess clock teach us how to take a good decision in just a few minutes.
It gives us the very much good advice that play with the time.
Yes, right.
So this chess game, it teaches you a lot. Not only just that you have to kill that other one's any thing or any object, but you have to give your 100% that what you have played, and by what thing you have proven your this move.
Yes,
It
right.
is also important. What would you like?
And in the plate also we have just 2 minutes to play. And in that 2 minutes, sometimes it's the means increment, but lot of time there is no increment. So we just finish the whole game. Means of 64 boxes, and it is just in 2 minutes. We can't count it also, but we have to finish it.
Yeah, means you must have
It
the
is too
control.
much deep game.
Yeah, it is a very deep game. It is a very intensive game. Having played, you must have the control. You must have the focus and all those.
It can
64
choose our,
boxes.
it can choose, or we can say it can means sucks our mental power also, and it can be give boost to our power also.
Yeah,
Means
and-
it is totally depend on our mentality. That if we are losing, then definitely we will demotivate. And if we are getting demotivation, then we will not play. Like, this is the wrong thing, right?
Yeah, I know. I feel that when you get lost, when you become loose, so I don't think that this is the thing that to try and to be dissatisfied and
I want to share my experience of today, because when the first game hit, I just when the first game hit, I just lost. In the first game also.
Yeah,
Means my starting is also negative.
but still we
But
must be
still,
motivated.
yes,
Yeah.
right. Due to chase, due to determination. Right?
I am suggesting to everyone that don't be demotivated having played. Always be motivated. Always have a focus on that 64 boxes on the chessboard, and always try to take a good decision. And you should not regret that why I did this decision, and because of that I lost my game. because the one single mistake can lose your whole victory.
Whole game.
Yeah, and you can lose the whole tournament
And
also.
chess game and our life is too much similar.
Yeah, in our
Are you
life
appreciate
also.
with me?
Yeah, I'm too much agree with you.
Because small pawn also can win us. Means due to that small pawn also we can turn the position of game.
Yeah, because I know the situation of pawn, how to deal with that. So I think this is whatever we have talked about the chess game. In chess game, how we must behave, how we must handle and control the things very well, and why we should play the chess game and what are the importance of it. So because of this, I think that you have got the very much things and very much reality about the chess game. So